We have gathered reviews from all over the internet to provide you with a comprehensive overview of the Mermaker Burritos Tortilla Throw Blanket. 2.0 double-sided, 71 inches for adults and kids. This is what users are saying about this unique and novelty blanket. If you own this item, please leave your review in the comments to help others make an informed decision. The product link is in the description. Using it supports the channel. The Mermaker Burritos Tortilla Throw Blanket stands out as a fun, eye-catching, and practical addition to any home. Designed with a realistic tortilla print, this blanket is more than just a humorous novelty item. It is crafted with a professional design approach, featuring a double-sided pattern that closely mimics the look of a real tortilla wrap. The attention to detail in the print has been widely praised, with many users noting that it looks remarkably like an actual tortilla shell, making it a conversation starter and a source of amusement for both children and adults. The blanket measures 71 inches in diameter, making it suitable for both adults and kids. This generous size allows users to wrap themselves comfortably, whether lounging on the couch, relaxing in bed, or using it as a playful prop for parties and gatherings. The 285 GSM flannel fabric is described as ultra-soft, heavyweight, and skin-friendly. This material choice ensures that the blanket provides warmth and coziness without being overly bulky or heavy. Users consistently mention the softness and plush feel of the fabric, with many expressing surprise at the high quality, especially given the novelty aspect of the product. One of the key strengths of the Mermaker Burritos Tortilla Blanket is its versatility. It functions well as a wearable blanket, sofa throw, bed blanket, travel companion, or even as a picnic mat. Its lightweight yet warm construction makes it suitable for all seasons, providing comfort during chilly movie nights, afternoon naps, or outdoor activities like camping. The blanket's ability to retain warmth while remaining breathable is a recurring theme in user feedback, making it a practical choice for year-round use. The product is also celebrated for its gifting potential. Many reviewers have purchased the blanket as a gift for birthdays, holidays, white elephant exchanges, and other special occasions. Its unique design and universal appeal make it a hit across age groups, from young children to adults. Several users recount stories of gifting the blanket and witnessing immediate delight, with recipients often wrapping themselves up and playfully pretending to be a human burrito. The blanket has been described as the highlight of gift exchanges, consistently drawing attention and envy from others in the room. Durability and ease of care are additional advantages. The blanket is machine washable, and users report that it maintains its softness, color, and shape even after multiple washes. The non-fading and lint-free properties of the flannel fabric contribute to its long-lasting appeal. The product does not shrink or lose its plushness, which is a significant benefit for families with children or for those who plan to use the blanket frequently. From a design perspective, the Mermaker Burritos Tortilla Blanket is both functional and aesthetically pleasing. The double-sided print enhances the illusion of being wrapped in a tortilla, and the color palette is vibrant without being overwhelming. The blanket is lightweight enough to carry for travel or outdoor use, and some users appreciate the reusable bag it comes with, which adds to its practicality for storage or portability. In terms of comfort, the blanket receives high marks for its soft touch and ability to provide warmth without overheating. The thickness is described as ideal, not too thick to cause discomfort, and not too thin to feel insubstantial. The slight stretch in the material adds to the comfort, allowing for easy wrapping and swaddling. Users liken the experience to being wrapped in a cozy, oversized swaddling blanket, which adds to the sense of security and relaxation. The novelty aspect of the blanket is a significant draw. Many users mention the fun factor and the joy it brings to gatherings, sleepovers, and family events. The blanket serves as both a practical item and a source of entertainment, often becoming the centerpiece of playful moments among friends and family. Its realistic tortilla design is frequently cited as a reason for purchasing, and the visual impact does not disappoint. Photos and videos of people wrapped in the blanket are popular on social media, further enhancing its appeal as a quirky, shareable item. While the majority of feedback is overwhelmingly positive, some users note that the blanket may not be large enough for taller adults to use as a full body wrap. For most users, however, the 71-inch diameter provides ample coverage for lounging and relaxing. The blanket is not intended to replace a heavy winter comforter, but excels as a cozy throw for casual use. The lightweight construction makes it easy to handle, fold, and store, which is appreciated by those with limited space. The Mermaker Burritos Tortilla Blanket is also recognized for its role in themed events and costumes. Several reviewers have used it as part of Halloween costumes, party props, or themed photo shoots. The realistic print and playful concept make it a versatile accessory for creative occasions. Its durability ensures that it can withstand repeated use in various settings without showing signs of wear. Customer service and brand reputation are additional factors contributing to the product's positive reception. The Mermaker brand emphasizes fun, quality, and customer satisfaction. Users report prompt responses to inquiries and a commitment to resolving any issues that may arise. The company's passion for creating joyful, humorous products is evident in the design and execution of the tortilla blanket. The blanket's popularity is reflected in its high customer ratings, with over 65,000 reviews and an average rating of 4.8 out of 5 stars. It ranks as a bestseller in its category, particularly among kids' bed blankets. This widespread acclaim underscores its broad appeal and the satisfaction of those who have purchased and used the product. In summary, the Mermaker Burritos Tortilla Throw Blanket 2.0 double-sided offers a blend of comfort, humor, and practicality that sets it apart from ordinary throws. Its high-quality flannel fabric, realistic double-sided print, and generous size make it a standout choice for personal use or gifting. The blanket's versatility, durability, and ease of care add to its value, while the playful design brings joy and laughter to any setting. Whether used for lounging, travel, parties, or as a memorable gift, this blanket consistently delivers on its promises. If you are considering a unique, cozy, and conversation-worthy addition to your home or memorable gift for someone special, the Mermaker Burritos Tortilla Blanket is a top contender. Its combination of softness, warmth, and novelty ensures that it will be cherished by recipients of all ages. Remember, the link to the product is in the description. Using it supports the channel. If you have experience with this blanket, please share your review in the comments to help others make informed choices. Your feedback is valuable and contributes to a community of informed buyers.